back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making blueberry overnight oats. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Overnight oats are such a good, healthy, easy option for you guys. That way your breakfast is already done and you already know it's going to be healthy. You can do it just the night before. That way when you wake up, it's already done. You know it's going to be a healthy breakfast. You're not going to be eating anything crappy and you're not going to just skip breakfast because you don't feel like making it. And for all of you guys out there who love breakfast blueberry muffins, now let's be honest, blueberry muffins are good, but they're definitely more of a treat than a healthy breakfast. So this is for you guys out there. So these blueberry oats are definitely going to be healthy for you guys. There's no refined sugars in here. We're just using pure honey. There are tons of omega-3s from all of your chia seeds, and don't even get me started on the almonds. We're going to have a nice little almond crumble on top. Almonds are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and even vitamin E. And what's good about these two is that you can make 4 servings of this in less than 20 minutes. So you can have 4 days of your breakfast is already done. You don't even have to think about it. And if you want, you can always up and make more of this, but I just keep it to 4 because I don't like my oats to be like too soggy, and of course as the days go on they're just going to get softer and softer, so I like to keep it at 4 days, but you guys are more than welcome to add more and have this at lunchtime too. And the beauty of these is that they're super quick and easy. You don't even have to think about them. So in the morning you can just grab it and go. You don't have to heat it up. I like to heat it up just because I like my oats hot, and I don't know, I just like the texture, I like the temperature, I like it better warmer. So if you do that, you might just want to add some more almond milk maybe, just because it might get a little bit dried out. But otherwise you can just grab it and go. And if you don't like almonds, you can substitute it for whatever kind of nut that you want, walnuts, pecans, whatever it is. I just like almonds, so that's why I chose almonds. So now let's talk about the ingredients. The only ingredients you're going to need is you're going to need your olive oil, your oats, your nuts, and your honey, or whatever other kind of sweetener that you want to use. You can use maple syrup. I like to use honey. That's going to be for your crumble on top. And then for the actual oats, you're going to need, of course, your oats, some vanilla, some almond milk, chia seeds, some more of that honey, your vanilla flavored yogurt, or I just have the Greek yogurt one. You guys can use whatever you want, and our berries. Now, just like all my other recipes, you can totally do whatever you want with this. You can add different berries, you can add a different type of milk, totally up to you guys. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we have a couple different things going on here. We have our baking sheet with our parchment paper and our ingredients for our little crumble. We have our oven preheating to 375. Now you can do the crumble like right before you're ready to eat your little overnight oats thing, but I like to just do everything now. That way in the morning, like I said, you can just get up, take your thing, and leave. You don't have to worry about now doing this. Even though it doesn't take long, it's still something extra you gotta do. And the whole point of this is that you have a nice, healthy breakfast ready in the morning for you. So we have that preparing over there, and now we're gonna get ready to do our oats. So what we're going to do is first combine our oats. Then we have our vanilla. We have our chia seeds, and let's grab our honey. And then your almond milk. Don't worry if this looks like it's a lot of milk. Obviously, it's going to look that way at first before everything gets a chance to kind of soak up. Now, obviously, your chia seeds are going to get soaking up and get nice and plump. And then, of course, your oats. So, kind of mix this all on up together. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just divide this up evenly to 4, whatever it is you have. Cups, bowls, mason jars. I'm using little like souffle cups. So whatever it is that you have, just divide them evenly. Alright, so now we're ready for the next step. Okay, so the next thing you guys are going to want to do is take care of your blueberries. So you're going to want to take your blueberries and you're going to want to put them in the oven for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now make sure that they are covered because they are going to start to kind of burst and explode, I know. But you're just going to kind of just be making like a blueberry kind of sauce. If you can see here. saucy. So you're just gonna make something like this. But before you add this, we're going to distribute the Greek yogurt on top. So I just went and added a couple more little souffle cups and just distributed these a little bit more evenly because I kind of have a little bit more. And these souffle cups are a little bit small. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just add in your Greek yogurt on top. Same thing, just try and do this as evenly as you can. Finally, the last thing you're going to want to do is take your little blueberry mixture and then just add that right on top. I'm just going to kind of mush this around a bit. Guys, this looks so good. So now all that's left to do is just go ahead and put these in the fridge. Now you're going to want to let these chill for at least 2 hours, but I mean, of course, you're probably going to be making these overnight and you don't have to worry about it, and then just wake up in the morning and eat them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge, and then I will come back here once they're all done, kind of getting all nice and plump and delicious, and then we'll come back and try some. Alright guys, so now the only thing that's left to do is our crumble. So, I mean, if you want to, you could totally make this now and add it right on top of the little souffle cups that we had already made, and just let them sit in the refrigerator overnight as well. But I like to do it separately and add it after, just so I have that added crunch, because I mean, what's in here? It's more nuts and more oats. So if you just put them right on top, they're gonna get a little bit soft sitting in there, and I like a little bit of a crunch. So what we're going to do is literally just add all this into another bowl. So you're gonna add in your oats. Your nuts, you're just gonna chop them a little bit. You're gonna add some olive oil and your sweetener. So I have honey again. If you guys want, you can use maple syrup. I'm just going to add this all together. Just try and get everything nice and well coated. And then all we're going to do is just add this to our baking sheet right here that's just lined with some parchment paper. And this is only going to take 8 minutes in the oven at 375. And all you're going to want to do is just toss this around just one time about halfway through, just to make sure everything is getting nice and crispy. And then that's literally it. So once this is done, I'm just going to store it in a separate container and then top it on my overnight oats when I'm done. Get that nice crunch. Ooh, this is giving me kind of like granola bar vibes. So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you guys want me to make some granola bars. I think that would be fun. Alright. There's not much of this at all. It's just a little bit of a crumble, nothing crazy. Okay. We're just going to put this in the oven and set a timer for 8 minutes. Okay, so we're at the 4-minute mark. So I'm just going to pull these out really quick. Kind of toss them around a bit. Okay, so we got 3.5 minutes left. Okay, so it's time to take these out. Ooh, this looks so good, you guys. So I'm just going to let this cool, and then I have my little Ziploc container that I'm going to put them in. And then I'm going to see you guys back here when our overnight oats are done and set and done being chilled, and then we're going to come back, top it up with some of our crumble, and try some. Alright, you guys, so it's been a few hours, and our overnight oats have gotten a chance to set, and we have our crumble. So good, I'm so excited. So we're just going to put our crumble right on top, and then we're going to chop one. Look at this giant crumble. Saving that for later. Okay guys, so our crumble has been put on. I'm so excited to try this. Which one am I gonna grab? Let me grab this one. Smells so good. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. So you guys can stir this if you want. You can eat it in the layers like this. I'm just gonna eat it just like this. I'm gonna get some of the crumble, blueberry, some of the Greek yogurt, and the oats. Oh. Oh. Hold on. So, so good, you guys. Okay, let me stop myself. Ooh, look at even the color of that. So good, so good, so good, so good. I clearly had trouble even putting it down. So I think I might like this one better than the other oats that I made. I don't know if I filmed a video. Did I film a video on it? You know what it was? It was healthy pumpkin spice overnight oats. I actually like these way more. These are so good. I love that we have the blueberries in there, the color. This is delicious. I would have no problem having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days a week. I'll definitely make sure to link the pumpkin spice one right up here for those of you that are interested. That one was really good, but I'm a berry kind of girl, and this is so good to me right now. I'm like dying to just finish this, but I have to make sure I tell you everything I know before I close this video. So as always, you can make as much or as little of this as you want, and you can make your own portion sizes. Now this is gonna last, I would just say, you know, the 4 or 5 days, however it is that you make them. It's just, they'll last, you know, a good amount of time. It's just about the texture, so they are gonna get softer over time. Now if you don't care to have really soft oats, like, it's totally up to you guys. And don't forget, when you do microwave them or heat them back up, they are gonna lose some of that moisture. So that's totally up to you guys. But even just looking at the crumble, I just want to eat the crumble. I just want to eat all of this. And as always, I will have all of the nutrition facts down below in the description box. But that's all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, hit that too. But make sure to hit the thumbs up, the like button, like this video. It really helps me a lot. And of course, hit the subscribe button too. Duh. And the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Who wants to miss this? This is delicious. But as always, if you guys want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.